Hello smart people, Mr. H here. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through Unit 4, CFA 1. Please get logged into your Alex, go to Unit 4, CFA 1. So this is an easy quiz, there's only 5 questions, and I believe there's no calculation here. It's just testing your understanding of translation, reflection, rotation, and dilation, which the big term is transformation, which is the word stand for type of transformation. Alright, so number 1, we're going to do translate. Translate a figure 9 units up and then decide if each statement about translated figures is true or false. Okay, so translate mean move. So you're going to move a figure 9 units up. So use your mouse to click on the figure and hold it and then move it up 9 units. So I'm going to keep track of my pointing thing here. So you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. You move it straight up 9 units. Okay. Again, I keep track of the pointing thing here. I counted 9 times up. The first statement is the final side length are the same as original side length. So you move an object, everyone should stay the same size, same shape. It's just different position. So the answer is correct, it's true. Final size length are the same. The final angle measure are the same as original angle measure. Yes. You move something, it stays the same size, same shape. If 2 sides are parallel in the original figure, then those sides are parallel in the final figure. Correct. If two sides are parallel, which means it goes side by side, they don't cross, it stays the same as the final figure. The original figure and the final figure may not be congruent. Congruent means same size, same shape, so this is wrong. Original and the final should be the same, which is congruent. Okay, they say it's not congruent, it's false statement. Alright, problem 2. Reflect the figure across the x-axis, then decide each statement about reflected figures is true or false. So they say that reflects across the x-axis. So you have 2 options here. So horizontal line is the line going sideways, which is the x-axis. The line going up and down, which is the y-axis. In this case, they say reflects across x-axis. You're going to click on the first option, reflects across the x-axis. So they do the reflection for you. If 2 sides are parallel in the original figure, then those sides are parallel at the final figure. So the reflection should be same size, same shape. It's just like translation. So this statement is true. 2 lines parallel originally, they will parallel after you reflect them. The final angle measure are the same as original angle measure. True. The final side length are shorter than the original side length. False. Everything stays the same. The reflection is reflect the original image, same size, same shape. Original figure and the final figure are congruent. True. Everything stays the same. They just a little bit opposite from each other, or they be flipped, but everything are the same. Okay. Alright, rotate the figure 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origins, and then decide each statement about rotated figure is true or false. So 90 degree counterclockwise. So clockwise mean follow the clock direction. Counterclockwise mean the opposite of the clock direction. In this case, counterclockwise mean going up. 90 degree is 1/4 turn. So that is 90 degree counterclockwise rotation. The final angle measure are the same as the original angle measures. Correct. Everything stays the same with the rotation. Okay, so to go straight to the point, translation, reflection, and rotation, same size, same shape. The only thing changed is dilation when the size is bigger. Okay, the final side length are shorter than the original side length. False. The original figure and the final figure may not be congruent. they are congruent. So again, everything stays the same. If two sides are parallel in the original figure, then those sides may not parallel. False. It have to be parallel. Alright, so number 4. Okay, for each pair of figure below, choose how they are related. So the first one, you see that this one look like spinning from blue to gray. You're going to spin it upward or spin it clockwise. So that will be rotation. From blue to the gray one. So look like if you move it down, the gray arrow is still smaller than the blue arrow. So it's neither, because translation move it down, but you need dilation to change the size. Which they don't have that option here, so that would be none of these. This one is another spinning example, so rotation. This one, if you see the figure upside down like this, it will be a reflection. But in this case, I'm not so sure if blue and gray has the same size. If they have the same size, it will be a reflection. If they don't have the same size, would be none of the above. I cannot tell. I assume that they're the same size. It doesn't seem much different between blue and gray, so that will be a reflection. Again, it's different size. It's going to be none of the above. Alright, last one. Problem number 5, which is our bell work everyday bell work. Answer the question about from figure A to figure B below. So you're going to map from A to B. Is figure A and figure B congruent? Do they look the same? Do they have the same size? The answer is yes. They look like they have the same size. Now, I'm sorry about that. Part B. What sequence of transformation will map figure A onto figure B exactly? Choose all that apply. Translate figure A left 10 units. So, you know what? I'm going to pause this one right here. I'm going to use the OneNote to draw on this so we can see how it's look like. Alright, welcome back. Now I have this problem on the OneNote, so I can write on it. Translate figure A to the left 10 units, and then reflect the result over the x-axis. So here's our figure A. We're going to move it 10 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then we redraw that. Okay, then they say reflect the result over the x-axis. So here's our x-axis. Okay, that would be good. X-axis, if we do reflection, so it's going to go like this. This point is 2 units away from the mirror. It's reflect 2 units to the other side. This point is 2 units away from the mirror. It's reflect 2 units to the other side. Then we're looking at something like this. Is the flipping of the figure. So this figure doesn't match with figure B. So this is a wrong statement. Now the second statement, they say that translate figure A 10 units to the left and then rotate the result counterclockwise 180 degrees about the origins. So I'm going to bring those back. We still have to translate figure A 10 units to the left, so we're going to keep that. Okay, so we did move them 10 units to the left, and then we're going to do is rotate the result counterclockwise 180 degrees about the origins. So if you keep track of your axis, so the figure is right here, 180 degree counterclockwise, so you go opposite with the clock direction. So this x-axis will go down to the y-axis. It will look like this. Okay, the figure is below the orange line. Will go here. Okay, that is 90 degree counterclockwise. So now we turn it one more time, another 90 degree counterclockwise to make 180. So the figure down here will go up here, which I don't need to draw it. It's way far away from figure B. So that is also one of the wrong answer or wrong statement. Okay. Now next one, reflect figure A over the y-axis. So there's something else. I'm going to erase all of it. Reflects figure A over the y-axis. So here's my y-axis. Reflect is over. So this point is 2 units away from the mirror. Is reflect 2 units to the other side. Same thing here. Okay, so we have something like this. That point, this line is 3 boxes over. So we go 3 boxes over. This one is 1 box, 1 box. So we look at something like this. Okay. And then translate the result 9 units up. The result up 9 units. So you just move the whole thing up 9 units. It's not going to change anything. It's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's way past your figure B. It will look like that. So that is also one of the wrong answer. Now, please do not assume the last option will be the correct answer. It can be wrong because we have none of these. Okay, so please check your last statement. Rotate figure A 90 degree clockwise about the origins. So if I keep track of my x-axis, okay, 90 degree clockwise, so we're going to turn it down. X-axis will go to the y-axis. Okay, then I keep track of the point. This point is 2 units away from 5. That will be 5 with 2 units over. This point is 2 units away from 2. So 2 with 2 units away from 2. We're looking at something like this. This point is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from 2. So here my 2, 4 units away from 2. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we look at something like this. Okay, that is 90 degree clockwise rotation about the origins. And then we reflect the result across the x-axis. So here my x-axis, you reflect the result. So this point is 2 units away from the x-axis. It's reflect 2 units to the other side. This point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It reflects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the correct statement. One more time, do not assume the last option is correct answer, because this can be none of these. Alright, good luck guys. Good luck on the quiz. You have unlimited attempt. And try your best on number 5. Thanks guys for watching. See you tomorrow. I'll see you on Monday.